Now that you've created a course in Buzz, you're ready to enroll your students. On your course card, you want to locate your people icon and click. Once you're in your people page, you want to go up to your upper right and click on the white wrench. We're going to go down to invite students. In the drop-down, we're going to make sure it says student. And then we're going to click generate code. You now have a code you can provide to your students so that they can now enroll within your Buzz course. This code can be emailed to your students or provided to them in any manner you see fit.